The leech sucks its prey down like spaghetti, crushing the worm with its muscular throat. A giant Bornean red leech. And it's hungry. Without mammals to provide a meal, this forest is like a desert for a bloodsucker. But the leech has risen to the challenge with deadly effect. A Bornean blue earthworm, 70 centimeters long. It follows an irresistible chemical trail to find a mate. The leech has an extremely sensitive mouth. It tastes its way towards its prey. Feeling up and down the worm's body, it searches for an end. Then, it starts to suck. The worm fights back, but there is no escape. The leech sucks its prey down like spaghetti, crushing the worm with its muscular throat. It will be a whole month before this leech needs to hunt again.